A 30% improvement is good in any business, but when your business is saving the lives of neglected animals, 30% is wonderful. Mobile County Animal Shelter adopted out a record 3,200 animals last year and is looking to carry that momentum forward into 2011. Fox 10 News reporter Matt Barentine has their story.
Each time a furry face is adopted, it's a small victory, one more animal that has a second chance at life. In 2010, the Mobile County Animal Shelter had a record number of adoptions, more than 3,200, a 30% increase from the year before. The hard work of volunteers and a nice brand new shelter made the difference.
People are much more likely to come over here, and they have many more options in terms of adoption, so there's more interest.
The shelter is also teamed up with agencies that transport animals, sometimes sending them thousands of miles.
One of the ways we've succeeded this year is that these rescue agencies are sending them out of town, because in some communities there isn't this kind of a glut.
Sadly, because of the economy, they've also had more animals brought in than ever before.
There was a staggering number of animals who were owners surrendered. These are owners who can no longer take care of them.
Nearly 8,500 came to the shelter in 2010. So even with record adoptions, many potential pets are still put down. This year, the shelter does not want to break that record number of adoptions. They'd rather not have that many animals to adopt out in the first place, so they want to see better spaying and neutering in the county.
We think there will be more spays and neuterings, and the multiplier effect will have a big impact because they'll be less likely to reproduce at the rate they are now.
And the best problem to have would be fewer animals to take care of in the first place. In Mobile County, Matt Barentine, Fox 10 News.
Shelter's also looking for foster parents, so even if you can't adopt long-term, you may still be able to help a pet find its permanent home.